Alright, I'm going to show you how I made this cute magical dragonfly with nail polish and wire. I have to do voiceovers because it's summertime now, so it's super loud at my house. And right now I'm out here on my front porch doing this voiceover. Let's see how long they stay asleep. Alright, right here I'm getting ready to show you an example of what I made. There it is. Do a little close-up. Now I'm telling you how I used 26 gauge floral wire that I got from Walmart. I like how easy that is. It's easy to work with. It doesn't break real easy. Alright, now I'm showing you how, every time I make these, it's always different. So this way, the way I did it, I made a little body shape. And you want to make it continuous. You don't want any cuts in it. And right here, I'm getting ready to make its little face. Just kind of hold it together and then I pinch it around and twist it. And then I'm going to show you how I leave the extra wire up at the top. And I wrap it around its little neck. Sounds very morbid, doesn't it? And I just put it up to the top like that to keep it out of the way. And now I'm getting ready to make the first little wing. Sometimes you can twist it by hand. Sometimes you have to use those little pliers. Every time I make them, it's different every single time, but they turn out to look about the same. It's kind of weird. Now I'm doing, on the other side, just eyeballing the length of it, make it even. I tried twisting it with just my hands on that one and it didn't work. So I ended up using the plier. Sitting out here drinking my coffee. It was so loud. My daughter was running around being super loud. And then my son was vacuuming. Like, okay. Alright, for the other side, the bottom wing is a little bit longer than the top wing. I think that time it actually worked with me doing that by hand. I'm doing the same thing on the other side, just eyeballing the length of it. And I keep it on the spool like that because it's hard to gauge how much wire I'm going to use. I did this live on Justin Porter's Facebook page. It was really fun. Although my non-husband was snoring in the background because we have company from out of the country visiting, so we're out on the couch. We have an amazing couch. You could like sleep 6 people on it. Alright, so I twisted that one. I think it worked that time by hand. I'm taking that little wire that's left over in the top and I'm wrapping it around its neck again. Now I'm taking the one wire that's connected to the spool and I'm making its body. Sometimes I make them really nice and chunky fat, but since I was doing this for demonstration, I didn't make it real thick. They both look cute either way. I guess I could fast forward through this part. Yes, definitely. I will fast forward through this part. Oh, actually I shouldn't. So I did the bottom part and then I just go in between the wings. Like in between the wings towards the bottom of the body, and then in between the wings in the middle. I cross it again to go over the top wings too. I want to do a butterfly like this, but I haven't figured out how to do it yet. Alright, so I'm taking the little bit that's left over from the top wire, and I'm just wrapping it around the wire that's attached to the spool to give it stability. I'm just making sure it's nothing pokey sticking out. And then I'm cutting it pretty long so you can attach it to whatever project you're using it for. This one I used it on a boho flag. It was really cute. Maybe I'll put a picture of that on here. Excuse me. And now I'm just shaping the wings and the bottom of the body, the tail. I kept going out of camera, and I was trying to do a close-up on it, so it's like jumps around a little bit. And then for its little face, you just pinch it right there and push it down. And sometimes it's even, sometimes it's not, but I think imperfect things are kind of cool. You have to reshape it here and there. Excuse me, my allergies are so bad right now. I'm trying to drink coffee. Why am I off camera? I don't know. Okay, I'm just putting it on there. That's what I use one of those styrofoam things just to paint those. Which I got a really cool rectangular one from the Goodwill bins. You pay pennies there for amazing things. I'm just reshaping it again. You don't want them too far apart either because it's a little bit harder to put the nail polish on. Now I'm getting my nail polish out that I get at the dollar store, and I think one of them I got from Walmart. It was on clearance. I like using the gel type, but this time I didn't. For this part, it was the dollar store LA Colors Color Crazy number 98 because it's got cool sparkly glitter in it. For the tail, I ended up using a gel type nail polish. Those are a little bit easier to use. You just gotta build it up a little bit, I guess. It's the only way to describe it. And just go slow and have your brush at an angle. And sometimes you can come up on the bottom part of it. Oh, that one right there, it came apart again for some reason. I think I touched it with my finger. Ta-da! Yeah, just go slow and use the side of the brush. And sometimes you can come up from underneath it and pull it together to form that bubble, I guess you would call it. And I think I'm going to fast forward on the other things. I hope I did. I'm pretty sure I did. I think I did. I love making these things. They're so very cute, and they're pretty durable. They're not as fragile as you would think. Oh yes, for the tail I used the Walmart Sally Hansen stuff. I will tell you again when I can read it, because it went kind of fast. I think it's going to show it again. Yeah, the Walmart Sally Hansen Miracle Gel Terra-Coppa, number 189. I think it's at 66. And there's the LA Colors Color Crazy number 98. I use that combo a lot. I think it looks really cute together. Now you gotta paint the little body too. Oh, actually, did I already do that? Or I'm waiting for it to dry. That's what I'm doing. Now I'm showing you the boho beads. And I made little teeny tiny flowers with the nail polish and wire. They turned out really cute. I used that on the boho flag too. So I guess I missed the part where I painted the body. I used the same colors I used on the wings to paint the body. I think I don't know why I missed that when I was just doing this voiceover. But there's all the other ones that I did make. Super cute. See y'all later. Like, comment, and subscribe, please. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all later. Bye.